make the most out of your iPhone and boost your productivity. In today's video, we're going to explore the top productivity apps that can help you stay organized, manage your tasks, and make your day more efficient. Let's dive right in. First up is Notion. This versatile app is perfect for organizing your life in one place. Whether it's notes, tasks, databases, or project management, Notion allows you to create customized workspaces and collaborate with others seamlessly. It's a powerful tool for personal and professional use. Next is Todoist, a favorite among productivity enthusiasts. Todoist is a robust task manager that helps you organize your tasks, set deadlines, and create to-do lists. With features like reminders, recurring tasks, and integrations with other tools, it keeps you on track and focused. Coming in at number 3 is Evernote. This comprehensive note-taking app lets you create, organize, and store notes in various formats, whether it's text, images, audio, or web clippings. Evernote syncs across all your devices, ensuring your ideas are always at your fingertips. At number 4, we have Spark Mail, an intelligent email app that prioritizes your inbox smartly. Spark helps you focus on what matters most, with features like customizable notifications and collaborative email drafting. It makes managing your emails a breeze. Next is Forest. This unique app helps you stay focused by growing a virtual tree while you work. If you leave the app, your tree dies, so it's a fun and engaging way to maintain concentration and avoid distractions. Number 6 is Trello, a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize tasks and collaborate with your team. Trello is great for both personal use and team productivity. Coming in at number 7 is Habitica. This app turns your to-do list and habits into a role-playing game where you earn rewards for completing tasks. It's a fun and effective way to build habits and stay productive. Next is Fantastical, a powerful calendar app that makes managing your schedule easy. With natural language input for quick event creation, weather integration, and customizable views, Fantastical is a great way to keep your life organized. Finally, we have Focus Booster. Based on the Pomodoro technique, this time management app helps you break your work into focused intervals, with breaks in between to maintain peak productivity. These are some of the best productivity apps to help you make the most of your iPhone. Whether you need help managing tasks, organizing notes, or staying focused, there's something here for everyone. Try them out and see which one works best for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on boosting your productivity.